Are you ready to transform your coffee routine? The Breville BES840XL infuser is your gateway to cafe-quality espresso at home, designed for aspiring baristas like you. This semi-automatic marvel boasts PID temperature control and pre-infusion, ensuring perfectly balanced shots every time. Even if you're learning, its intelligent design helps you achieve incredible flavor and consistency. With rapid heating and a powerful steam wand, you'll craft silky microfoam for lattes like a pro. The pressure gauge guides your extraction, making mastery achievable. It includes all accessories to start brewing immediately. While you'll need a grinder, the infuser offers unparalleled control for its price. It's the ideal balance for aspiring baristas. Elevate your coffee game and unleash your inner barista today.